Hello, I'm Jim.
I'm Karen, and we're the Travel Snippets.
We are going to be showing you a video of Le Méridien in Chiang Rai, which I always say Chiang Rai, that's why Karen laughs, because I have to correct myself all the time. In any case, what we're going to show you is video of the hotel we stayed in, and if you'll wait to the very end, we're going to give you our honest opinion of that hotel.
We picked this resort because of that. It's a resort. It had a big buffet breakfast and a lot of the amenities that we were looking for. So hope you enjoy the video.
On with the video.
You have to say it again?
Yeah, we can sit or stand right here.
How about that?
How about that? Resort, and I want to show you the room. You come in, there's Karen, she's gonna wave. Karen always waves. Yep. And to our right as we walk in is our, what I like to affectionately call a live-in bathroom. Which there's Karen waving. We got a nice sized bathtub. Got robes. Sink. I know you like the counter to sink. And we actually have a toilet, not a squatty potty. Nice, good sized shower. Come out of here. And we've got ironing board and plenty of hangers and another robe. The safe, we found a safe, and we actually have, this is something we see here in Thailand more than anywhere, is flashlights in the room.
Again.
Which is pretty cool.
Probably because they have electrical outages.
Yeah, they have electrical outlet outages too. And we got a
You're not going to want
coffee bar.
You're not going to want to leave here.
And we have a little mini fridge. There's a place for the luggage. We just got here. Everybody takes their shoes off when they come in the room, so we're starting to learn that now. We got a nice, good-sized bed. We got peekaboo windows for the bathroom, which is pretty cool. We can spy at each other when we go in the bathroom, but that's nice, the peekaboo windows. That's something else to see. This is the second time we've had a chaise lounge in a room, a little desk area, and then we have an outdoor area to sit in.
Sit in? I can live out
We could live out here, yep. This is bigger than some rooms we've had in the past. They did upgrade our room. This is a Marriott. And the pool area is right behind the trees here. You can see it a little bit. The river is right next door. Straight ahead is actually the building we're in. We're on the third floor. There's Karen. She's got a perpetual grin on her face, so it's really nice. And this is a little bridge leading over to a wildlife area. There's actually where we had breakfast this morning. And then when we turn around here, look, and we got the river. What's the name of the river, Karen? Kok River. And
What's the level of this?
the pool area right there. And there's the pool again, and the river. Just outside the bar area, we have a beautiful tree. The fella that checked us in told us the tree is over 100 years old, and I can believe that. This is right outside the bar area, and I just thought it was a really nice looking tree. That's it.
Paprika. See you tomorrow. Huh? Okay. Okay. Paprika. How are you? It was delicious.
It really was.
I don't know how to do any of this. I think you put the rice packages. This was a place that wasn't necessarily in town. We picked it for a reason though, because we're Marriott members, and plus we just loved the look of it, and we were not disappointed when we got there.
I will say one of the features that I loved about the hotel was how friendly the people were, and I think you noticed that in the video itself. It wasn't a select few. It was everybody in the hotel was very friendly, very accommodating. Couldn't do enough for you.
You didn't pass a groundskeeper, a housekeeper, a restaurant worker. You expected from the desk or the welcoming staff, but everybody that we passed just smiled, nodded, swadika, just genuinely always asked us if there was anything we needed or wanted, and I believe they would have done anything for us.
I really do. The room itself was
amazing,
pretty big, and something that a lot of people talk about in Asia is that the beds tend to be hard.
They do.
This bed was comfortable.
This bed was just perfect.
Very comfortable.
It wasn't too hard. It was just like Goldilocks. It wasn't too hard. It wasn't
perfect,
too soft.
Yes. In fact, we woke up one morning with a bear in our bed. No, we didn't. I'm sorry.
No, I was bare in the bed.
And, then we go to the grounds.
And we saw the lawn man. He had a rotting lawnmower. I swear he was cutting the lawn every day. I don't know what he was doing. Maybe it's job security, but it was just, it was like velvet. It was just perfect.
It was perfect. Everything was green, lush, trees. I think you see a little bit of a video in the tree. Had just amazing grounds. The pool area was immaculate.
And perfect. And there was a pool boy. And there was plenty of towels, pool towels, which I really always appreciate, but they also brought you water. They had ice water on demand with lemon, and it was nice.
Yeah.
It was just, it's what it said it was. It was a resort.
It was a resort.
There's 2 restaurants on the grounds besides the breakfast buffet. But after that, you could go actually 2 restaurants, and then there was like a coffee bar slash snack place too there. But we found the prices, even though you're kind of a captured audience, because you are kind of far away from town, not necessarily walkable. I mean, I guess you could walk to town if it wasn't 110 degrees out and the humidity was 99.9. But I thought it was very reasonable.
It was reasonably priced for a resort.
And great food.
And the food was awesome. The buffet was good.
Oh.
The people were just outstanding in the
fresh juices that they ground for you right there, and the coffees and everything, specialty coffees that you could get. There was, on the buffet, there was everything from more westernized breakfast materials to Japanese
to Thai.
To Thai.
And one of the things I particularly liked, I think Karen will agree with, a lot of times when you go to a buffet restaurant, if they have a omelet bar, you order your omelet, you wait for them to make your omelet. This wasn't the case here. You could even get Eggs Benedict. What you did was you filled out a little form
that had your table number on it.
Had table number on it. You brought it up to the omelet bar. Or they
would bring it up for you.
Or they'd bring it up for you. You give it to the guy at the omelet bar, go about your business, get whatever you want from the buffet, and when you get back to the table, somebody brings you your eggs right at the table, so you don't wait at the omelet bar for somebody to bring you their food. You're just
because those get backed up a lot of times. Yeah. You know, you can be like 10 deep on that sometimes if it's really busy in the morning. But here, you just sat down.
Yep, you had a girl that made fresh juice for you.
She'd deliver it to
and she'd deliver it to your table. All in all, I would give this 5 stars. 10. Yeah, 10 out of 10. 5 stars, tremendous. Now, a little word about Chiang Rai. And it's not a criticism, it's just a heads up. You hear a lot about the White Temple, which is spectacular. There's
amazing.
The Green Temple.
By the way, the hotel did arrange a private driver for us to take us to wherever we wanted to go. And so we saw several temples and different things, but it was very nice and very reasonable.
Very reasonable. The hotel didn't take a cut of it. You just paid the driver direct. We were really happy with that service.
Mr. Poot.
Mr. Poot.
He was fantastic. A shout out.
And again, one of the things I want to reiterate about Chiang Rai, which you don't realize, is the White Temple, the Blue Temple, the Green Temple. They're all beautiful. Big Buddha is beautiful. Don't think of Chiang Rai as just a city with all these things in it.
No,
you can't walk to these temples from Chiang Rai City
Center.
They are in Chiang Rai, I guess you'd call it province,
state.
So you have to understand that Chiang Rai itself, the city.
If you're Buddhist, it's a state of mind.
Yeah, it's great. But don't think that you're just going to stroll around Chiang Rai and looking at temples, because you definitely need transportation.
You can do that here. We're right now in Chiang Mai, and you trip over temples. We can't leave our front door and not hit one. We're in the walled city, but there you need to have some kind of transportation to it, or rent a scooter, or do whatever you feel like, and especially if you're in our resort a little bit on the outskirts of town.
Okay, and final words on this. I highly recommend this resort. Highly recommend it. If you want a nice, relaxing stay, this is the resort to go to. I think Karen would agree.
I just can't say enough about it. I cried when I left.
Yeah, she wanted to stay. I was pulling her and dragging her back to get her to leave. In any case, I hope you enjoyed the video. This is Jim. I'm signing off, and
I'm Karen.
And she's signing off too. Have a great day. We'll see you next video.